What's up mga papi? Welcome back to Choniverse. Today I'm really excited to share my thoughts on the Lenovo ThinkPlus BT version speaker K3 Pro. Medyo mahaba yung pangalan niya mga paps. If you're on a lookout for a portable Bluetooth speaker with impressive sound quality, then panoorin nyo to. Baka ito ang portable Bluetooth speaker for you. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
So, bago natin pag-usapan yung mismong USB Bluetooth speaker, pag-usapan muna natin kung saan ko to nabili at magkano. So, nabili natin to sa Shopee, sa Lenovo Global Store for only 319 pesos. Originally, nasa 369 siya pero with the voucher, nakuha lang natin siya ng 319 pesos. So, maayos naman na na-ship sa atin tong speaker na to. Wala naman ako nakitang mga durog-durog o punit-punit sa box niya. So, ito, buksan na natin and let us see kung anong itsura nitong Lenovo speaker na to. So, may kasama siyang USB cable, of course, para ma-charge natin siya ng tama. And together with the USB cable, meron rin siyang strap or lanyard. Di ko alam kung anong tawag talaga dito. Carrying strap. So, ito na yung bunutin na natin tong speaker natin and let's see kung anong itsura niya. But before that, nga pala, meron siyang kasamang manual. Of course, dun sa manual, dyan nakalagay yung specs nung speakers natin. So, ayan siya. Meron siyang Chinese and then meron siyang English translation. So itong Bluetooth speaker natin from Lenovo is the V5.0 version. Yung transmission distance niya is 10 meters. Yung battery capacity is 1,200 mAh. Ang charging time is about 3 hours and ang usage time niya, ang kiniklaim ng manufacturer is around 6 hours. Rated input is 5 volts at 500 milliamperes. And itong speaker na to is actually capable of answering phone calls. So, ang material na ginamit sa kanya is plastic. And if you flip the speaker over, doon mo makikita yung function button. May power button, may next song, may previous song. And then yun nga, this phone can answer phone calls. So, meron doon answer button. So, magaan-gaan siya compared dun sa lumang version niya, yung 4.0 yata yun. And then, ayan, long press lang to power it on. Siyempre, magpapakita sa phone nyo yung pangalan ng Bluetooth niya and then ipi-pair up mo lang for you to be able to use this speaker. So, tinest ko to, mas maganda ng bahagyang-bahagya yung bass compared to the previous version. So, I guess this is a good upgrade. And kung naghahanap kayo ng budget meal na portable USB speaker, I guess this is something that you might wanna consider. Yun lang. Till the next Moodle. Peace!